In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaMask Wallet for beginners. Start by opening your browser and heading to portfolio.metamask.io, the official MetaMask portfolio site. This web dashboard brings your wallet activity, assets, and tools into one place, making it easier to understand what's happening across your accounts. Once you're in, click on Dashboard. Here you'll see an overview of your decentralized accounts. Think of each account as a unique blockchain address that you control with your wallet's private keys. Because these accounts are decentralized, there's no bank in the middle, just you and the network. If something looks off, such as balance is not appearing, make sure you're connected to the correct network and that your wallet is unlocked in your browser. Next, open the tokens section. This shows your token balances across supported networks. You can quickly gauge your holdings and recent price changes. If a token isn't visible, it may be on a different network or not yet tracked in your view, so always confirm the network selector first. Switch over to NFTs to see your collectibles and digital assets. This view organizes items by collection so you can easily review what you hold, along with metadata the site can fetch. If an NFT doesn't appear, it's often a network or indexing delay, not that it's missing. Move to DeFi to get a snapshot of positions like liquidity pools, lending, and staking that MetaMask can detect. It's a helpful way to understand where your assets are working, though details can vary by protocol and chain. Open transactions to review your activity history. You'll see sends, swaps, approvals, and more. Use this to verify what cleared, what's pending, and to spot any unfamiliar actions. Go to spending caps to review token approvals you've granted to apps. Spending caps, also called allowances, let a site move certain tokens on your behalf. Keeping an eye on these is a good security practice, especially after testing new apps. Click Move Crypto to access quick actions. Here you'll find buy for on-ramping from fiat, sell for off-ramping, swap to exchange tokens directly in your wallet, bridge to move assets across networks, send to transfer to another address, transfer for moving funds between your own accounts or supported connections, receive to display your address and QR code, and stake where available for supported assets. Review fees and networks before you confirm anything. Finally, open Discover to explore. Inside, choose tokens to research assets and view market details. Then visit sites to find reputable apps and services that work with MetaMask. Always double-check URLs and only connect your wallet to sites you trust. That's it, your MetaMask portfolio from overview to action in one clean workflow.